Introducing the ultimate coffee companion, the convenient 5-cup coffee maker. Designed for homes, apartments, dorm rooms, and workspaces, this coffee maker combines convenience, ease of use, and delicious flavor in one compact package. With its simple operation, all it takes is a press of the on/off switch to start brewing and indulge in a flavorful cup of coffee within minutes. Plus, the handy on/off indicator light keeps you informed about the status of your coffee maker. But that's not all. This coffee maker is equipped with a convenient warming plate that keeps your coffee hot and flavorful until you're ready to savor each sip. Say goodbye to lukewarm coffee and hello to the perfect temperature every time. With the stain-resistant warming plate, you can be confident that every cup you pour will be piping hot and ready to enjoy. No more guesswork when it comes to measuring the water. The visible water window on the coffee maker allows you to see exactly how much water you're adding, ensuring precise measurements and preventing any potential overflow. It's all about getting that perfect balance for your ideal cup of coffee. Cleaning up is a breeze with the convenient 5-cup coffee maker. The removable, reusable filter basket can be easily lifted out, making disposal and cleaning quick and hassle-free. No need to deal with disposable filters anymore. Simply rinse and reuse for a more eco-friendly brewing experience. Not only does this coffee maker offer exceptional performance, but it also saves valuable countertop space. Its compact size is designed to fit seamlessly into any kitchen or workspace, making it the ideal choice for those with limited space. No more sacrificing precious countertop real estate for your coffee addiction. In summary, the convenient 5-cup coffee maker is the perfect solution for coffee lovers who crave convenience, efficiency, and great taste. With its easy operation, visible water window, reusable filter, and compact size, it ticks all the boxes for a hassle-free brewing experience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to bring this must-have coffee companion into your life. Start each day with the aroma of freshly brewed coffee and enjoy the convenience of having your own personal barista at home. Order your convenient 5-cup coffee maker today and take your coffee game to the next level.